Hi guys, is your Android phone brightness going down automatically again and again? You set it to full, but after a few seconds it becomes dim. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you some easy and working solutions to fix this problem. Let's start. Method 1. Turn off adaptive brightness. First, open settings, then go to display and brightness. Here you'll see adaptive brightness or auto brightness. Simply turn it off. This is the main reason behind this issue on most phones. Now go back to settings. Scroll down and tap on battery. Tap power saving mode. If power saving mode is on, turn it off because it automatically reduces brightness to save battery. Now check some extra options. Go to display and brightness settings again and look for extra dim, night mode, eye comfort, below light filter. If any of these are on, turn them off. Now your phone brightness should stay stable and not change automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.